guys, happy Friday to you. I wanted to do this more in natural light, but the sun is already putzing out on me and I have to go to work soon. See, I was playing with some makeup. So I wanted to talk a little bit more of about these Gelato tint lip glosses that we just received. I am wearing mine in the color Lavender Honey today. I'm going to move you over. I have one light that went out on me, of course, when I want to do this video. Maybe this will be a little bit better. So I'm wearing this today in Lavender Honey. Yeah, a lot better. And yesterday, if you were on my Facebook page or my I don't think I did it from Instagram, but whatever. I used raspberry limoncello. So I'm just going to show you guys. I bought all 5 because I had one. Avon, if you're a leader title, you get an option of opting into a box of new products. And so I once a month will get them. So they will send, the same stuff to everybody. And it doesn't matter if it's going to work for my profile or not, I guess you could say, because they're the same across the board. So one might work for somebody, it's not going to work for me. Hence, I got the honey clementine, and it's just not my color, but that's okay. First of all, let's chat about the formula. The formula is amazing. It's something I've never felt before. Can you see me just gliding across my lips? It says it's a gel mousse texture, and that's exactly what it says it is. It's like a gloss, but yet there's no stick. It is so soft, and I am quite impressed. I would love to see some of the big beauty gurus here out in YouTube land would try these, because I honestly have never heard anyone talk about a formula quite like this before. All right, so we have them in 5 colors, and they're going to be in the ice cream cone. Every single one of them has a different color top, so you're not going to get confused. All of them have different scents. So this was the honey clementine, and this is the one that I showed on a video. It's very corally orange, as you can see. I wouldn't be opposed to wearing that over the the spring or summer, but I'm just not there yet. That one smells, like I said, like a chocolate, an ice cream chocolate to me. This is sweet watermelon, and this smells exactly like a sweet watermelon. This one is going to be more red than this one. I hope you guys can see that, how red it is compared to this one. More blue toned red. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I was wearing this yesterday in the raspberry limoncello, and I literally was sitting there going, while I was cooking my fried chicken, if you guys were watching me. This is the raspberry limoncello. So this one's going to be a little bit more purpley than what I have on today. This is more pink. This is going to be more red tone orange, but it works for me. It's not horrible. And then last but not least, this is the color chocolate cherry. This is going to be more of your brick red. She's a brick red. Let me count the ways how much I like these. Okay. I have used cream, matte, lip sticks. There's just something about how they settle into that lip that I cannot explain. You have to buy one and try one for yourself. It's just literally just smooths into the lip. They work together. It's amazing. I was going to say too, for some people, they don't like when it's more of a flat matte. I have a Crave here. You can easily just take it, dab a little bit on there. Now you'll have a little bit more shine. I didn't put that much on. Let's be real. So, again, I wish I could have done this in natural light today. I'm just falling behind. Those are available now. They are $12 a piece. I would get one to try. They are limited edition, I believe, so hopefully they will not run out before you guys get to try one. Anyway, I will talk to you guys all soon in the next video.